Hi everyone, welcome to Pink, Purple and Pearls. My name is Jackie. So today I will be sharing to you my typewriter collection from Rae Dunn. I know that it's been a week or two that I didn't post any videos. I'm really sorry for that. I tried to go to so many stores, but unfortunately I couldn't find any Rae Dunn. So it's been a really tough week or 2 weeks for me. It's really frustrating when you go to a store, you're really motivated and excited that you will find something that you're really wishing for, but then there's nothing. So I hope you will like this video. For those people who haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and also like my video. And if you have any items that you are looking for, please comment on the box below. I'd like to hear from you guys, and yes, I'm excited to hear from all Rae Dunn collectors. So stick around for my video. So the first item I'd like to share would be this spoon rest that says rest. I know that there's another one that says spoon. I've seen it in the winter store, but I didn't pick it up. Maybe one day I'll get it. So for now, I have this spoon rest. And then I have this creamer that says cream. It's really nice and simple, this typewriter collection. In the beginning, I thought I didn't really like it because it's too plain, but as I keep looking at it, I began to get fond of it. So now I'm collecting. So yeah, the creamer. I think I've shared some of these items in my previous videos, but I just want to show you all the typewriter items that I have for now. Then, of course, after the creamer, we have to have the sugar container. So they really look nice together. Like I've seen, I posted a picture of the cream and the sugar, the creamer and this sugar container in my Instagram, and it's really, really cute. So, and this handle here, the top of this sugar container is really nice. It gives it a different character. So the sugar container, I'll move it close to each other so you can see. They're really cute together. And then of course, I was able to see this picture, my very first and one and only picture in my collection. I haven't seen any large letter or the skinny font pictures in any stores here in Toronto. So for now, this is the only picture I have, and it says pour. Miss Teapot. So, and it says tea. Also, it's got this really nice top here, like the handle of the top is so nice. Again, it gives it a different character to this teapot, and so I really like it. Very simple, and it's hard to see on the camera, so I'll move it closer to you guys so you can see. So tea. And then I have this serving platter. I think I've shared this with you guys before, but it's in a plastic. But when I opened it, I didn't realize that underneath it also has some words. So first, there's this three little dishes here that says snack. Then this one is taste, and the last one is yum. So if I remove them, you can see that the tray itself has the same words stamped on the surface. the same words. So snack, taste, and yum. So you can also use this as a separate, you know, platter to serve your dessert or your appetizers. So it's really nice. I like that. Then, of course, we always have to have the mugs. So I have this Hello typewriter mug. Really nice. That's one. Then I also have the smile one. See? Very nice. Very simple. Then I have shine. So I guess they didn't have much of the word mug like this in the typewriter collection compared to the large letter collection or the skinny font collection. There's, I don't know, a lot of them. But this one I only, the other ones that I didn't buy, there's Snooze, there's Jet Set, and then there's another one. So it's very, it's much less items that Rae Dunn made in this collection for the mugs. So, but I have 4 of them. So that's the third one. So hello, smile, shine. And my 4th one is so some days it's good to use this one when you're feeling that way. I hope it's not every day, only some days. And of course I have the canisters. So I was able to score 4 canisters, which is really unusual, but I guess people are really more focused into the skinny font or the large letter collection. But like I said in the beginning, I didn't like it, but now I like it. So the very first one I have is the tea canister. So this is the smallest one, I believe. So tea, this one I bought it in the clearance rack. So from $16.99, it was on sale for $12. You see that red tag there. So that's the one. So let's just move this stuff because I don't have any more room there. Let's move this one over there. I'm very careful with my collection. And then the next one, next canister, is the sugar canister. So this is slightly bigger than the tea canister. So this one was also on sale, would you believe? It's $12.99 originally, but this is only $10. So 2 of them on clearance rack. Really nice. So it's slightly bigger than the tea canister. Then this one is the tallest but skinnier than the coffee one. So this one is the flower canister, and this one was not on sale. I bought it in regular price. So this one was $14.99. So yeah, there you are. Tallest to the smallest or the shortest. And then of course the biggest one among the 4 is the coffee canister. So it's huge. I'm not sure if this is the same size as the cookies canister in the large letter collection. I haven't seen one, so I can't make a comparison. But this one is huge. I think this is the biggest one I have among my canisters. So this one was $19.99. So I bought all of them together when I had a trip to Winners, no, I think Marshall's one time. I saw all of them together. So I didn't hesitate to buy because I said if I buy 2 and then next time I come back, the other one's gone. So I want to make sure that I got the complete set. So there you are. Coffee, flour, sugar, and tea. I believe that's all my collections, and that completes my typewriter collection. So there you go, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the new viewers, and also for everybody who subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And I hope you guys are having a nice day. God bless you all, and be kind to one another, like what Ellen says all the time. Bye now.